Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about the full bar, double bar, 25 grit concrete grinding plate and the extra soft bond. Now this tool comes in either the 3 treaded 6mm holes or you have the 3 larger 9mm holes for the magnetic 3-pin systems. This has a great wear rate. It's extra soft bond, so it's made for super hard concrete. You have a cost per square foot around 2 cents a square foot. That's why it's very cost effective, but it's also a high performance tool. You won't have glazing. You'll see that you're going to see stock removal and a consistent uniform scratch pattern. The segments are 40mm by 10mm by 10mm with a heavy concentration of a unique style diamond, and also they're in bidirectional format, so you can use them in either reverse and or forward. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about the 3-inch 76mm Raven copper hybrid pad. Now this is a tool that has a heavy concentration of diamond. In this video, we're taking out 40 grit scratches with the 50 Raven copper hybrid pad, and you got a beautiful salt and pepper finish, superior stock removal. So the transition from metals to resins is beautiful. And the resins don't become sacrificial. It's a word I like to use a lot, but they don't wear out fast because the scratches are taken out. So there's no micro scratches. They could be used wet and or dry. They could be used on a high speed. You could walk fast and have very great production rates per hour with them. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about the Micron. This is a phenomenal surface grinding and coating removal tool. So it has a very aggressive design with many segments. They're all rounded, so you don't have any straight edges to leave any surprise rogue scratches or gouges in the surface, so it leaves a very subtle finish. It's a great finish that's a great transition if you're polishing to resins, or if you want to jump to a transitional. It won't have an aggressive scratch pattern to take out. This tool is great for removing let's say epoxies, glues, light buildup mastics, light thin sets, etc. Even super hard concrete, it could prep the concrete really easily, leaves a very nice subtle scratch pattern, as I said, and also its cost per square foot between 3 to 4 cents. It works wet and or dry. It's, as I said, ideal preparation for honing or applying a new coating. So for more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about one of our best sellers, the single Rhombus 16 grit soft bond grinding plate. It comes with either the 3 threaded holes or the 3 larger holes for the 3-pin magnetic systems out there. This tool has a very good wear rate, so its cost per square foot's around 2 cents a square foot. This, in the video, you can see it just prepping through very heavy urethane coating, multiple layers, and it preps it fast. So it's basically holds a higher surface, a larger surface area than the regular rectangle segments, those 40mm by 10mm by 10mm segments. So it's 40% larger in surface area. Holds a heavier concentration of diamond by 30%. So when you measure the distance between the microns, you can see there's a lot more of them, and they're closer together. And because of this reason, they last longer. They're going to grind more efficiently. Your production rates per hour are going to go up. They work wet and or dry. They work on lightweight machines and or heavy machines. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about the 3-inch 76mm Phantom polishing pad. This is a great pad for concrete and natural stone. It works wet and or dry. In the lower grits, it does exceptional, phenomenal stock removal. Can take out some coarse scratches and leaves a great finish. And in the higher grits, leaves no transfer, very strong depth of clarity, high gloss. The numbers on the meters prove it. And again, cost per square foot's probably a penny. At $17.16 each, works well on light machines, on heavy machines. We've been selling this pad for over a decade. It's polished way over a few million square feet easily. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to introduce you to the RF Magnetic Series. It's for the Husqvarna. It's on special today at $32.15 each. A set of 9 will be $289.35. Now, this is so you're not married to the diamond system for your grinder. So you're not married to a proprietary system. You have to buy their diamonds that they did the research and development in their backyard and their concrete. You, in this case, can choose to design your own toolbox for your grinder. And at the end of the year, you should see savings north of 5% to 10% easily. And that does add up. And so like if you see that you're in no man's land and there's someone selling diamond tools there, you could basically get them maybe cost landed a lot lower than what you're currently getting, and maybe better. For more information, message me now.